those of you who want to share any videos and or instruct anyone on the FL360 app and the operation of the camera, there's a great screen recording feature with the Samsung tablet, and I want to show it to you now. So we're at our dashboard. I'm live with our camera right now. The camera is actually in a search box, but I'm just going to show you where the screen recorder is and how to turn it on and turn it off, and where that file is once it's recorded. So pull down from the top right of the tablet, and then pull down in the grayish area here, and you'll be given a bunch of different options here. You want to scroll to the left, and at this point there's an option for screen recorder. So if I hit that, I have the choice of whether I want to record the video with no sound, media sounds, and mic. So I'll do it with media sounds and mic. I'll hit start recording. I'll do a countdown. Okay. At this point, I'm recording the screen and everything I do on it. Okay. And my controls are on the right hand side. So let's hit start. Let's turn the lights on in the search box. And I can do some instruction here if I want to, talking about the overlays, the meridian line, the red and green lines which represent the lenses and so forth, any of the icons. And once I'm done, okay, I hit the stop feature at the very top right. You can see it right there. Hit that. Now it's recorded. Okay, so in order to find where that file has been saved, it's not in your FL360 gallery. Okay, so let's get rid of this. To get to that file, pull up from the top to get all the other apps that are present on the tablet. You want to go to the Samsung grouping of apps, go to My Files, go to Videos, and the latest screen recording or any recording is under Videos. So here, and just go hit the regular player. At this point it's playing. And you will have audio in there as well. Let's turn up the volume here. Okay. So this is the recording of what I just did. And basically, if you want to send it to someone, I'll just go back to My Files. I'll hold this down. And if you have your Google Drive account information here, you would then move it to your Google Drive. Now, in order to do any of that, you need to make sure that the tablet's connected to the internet. That makes sense. The only way to transfer a file to your Google Drive on the cloud is to do that. So you have to make sure that the tablet is connected to the internet. But it's as simple as that. It's a great way to use files that you want to send to other individuals, teams, and so forth, and or instruction. Great tip on how to do screen recording. Thanks.